Nkabeka sister Sandy. Me have new Sandra Kapo. Ave come home to we no Badwam Ahosepe.
No.
Sandy akwaba.
Me da see nia. Sa Sandy pepe because me sa Sandy.
So
big sister. Baby Obia, good morning.
You teacher ma. Or rest wabre. You want to
last week we hu ha wa nanka so gina ma ende.
Ni nyina ye. Na wo ba di Ahosepe ntu ene ye be de kakra.
Yeah.
And de na wo ho no mo
World of entertainment na ze no ma ye de papa ya. E obi eta pay. E wo social media ze dey hu there entertainment anye amena wo ya.
No.
Na end the first journey where did you go?
Oh, no. Na me wo fi anopa no ase me ba adwuma ma wia. Nti anopa no me na ya do won kokko bo modern chi na ntwena bi ma na me. Nti no me de ye palava sauce bi ne mo na me mai fie na nya asem kuma. Enjoy ye na be beto adwuma so boko e wo ha sei.
Se mbadare too for news.
For news
adwuma se ye be enjoy na adwuma no se asanso aye. 924/7 nti and there's so many programs first January okodo and I menana mo pu news so menana mo kakra so ho shows so kodo Kofi Kenata na other people for we countdown it was so polo club
the Legends Night in Sokoso.
Yes. You first sad story. That Lumba, the reason why, or trim the reason why, onya high life name, even that Lumba, not the reason why I put that Lumba na nkasa on the champion. Lumba brothers and way. We'll talk about that. But in the January, month of January, nice personalities now. One in the month of January.
Okay.
Yes, nice personalities. Na January for leadership no. We jinem eba office ha kra mpa. And we leaders bi wa wo January hu se wo ampa. Awo January leader or sa qualities no. Yes, ye entertainment industry mo bit the gifty auntie.
Okay.
Yes, gifty auntie media personality. Mo won January, 1st January. Internet that say or January papa auntie. Yeah, man belated birthday. Give to answer one the 1st January na abna Ghana any show
on any
yes
no.
So beautiful Adom TV one sweet personality abna Ghana the journey yes Sundays biano on was a brain
6:30
yes just after news we are commode premiers nti abna Ghana happy belated sweethearts now their pictures were so beautiful and on point
and it was all over social media and it was all over. A belated one and
yes, baby girl. And there they are come out the papa and we appreciate what you do for the channel as well. And someone like Muhammad Ali, the greatest of all time, the greatest heavyweight champion, Charlie Sweetheart. He was also born into say, and you know what the same year or on the same month on January 17th. You were a very great personality as well. And you Muhammad Ali. Now, about to within January, month of January, we'll let you know some of the personalities. February. And so on Mayborn. So the people that anyone in our so that you aim higher, you be inspired to do great things. But now Kofi Ampedu, one of our boss, director say in January.
Okay.
Leaders, who say leaders, big men.
That's nice.
Now my boss, with
the same February name the same day. No, see me or say Kwame despite. 2nd February no.
And they're funny phone.
Allah.
The window. It's young cause me if you Oprah free.
So
January. January 29th. It's New Year Museum. Most of these celebrities, Obama New Year messages, their plans. It's Yansha Kitty, girl them sugar daddy, New Year message na Yambra. Kitty. And Kitty, he's looking good.
Aye. Then golden hair. Fatano.
On the hair, I would more die in a different way.
Yeah,
I think golden. Or your golden boy na.
Yeah.
The album, Golden Boy album na. Or die in it them. I think the Kowu Jay-Z is looking good.
Jay-Z.
Dominic Rodman.
Oh, that's Nanya Fatano so.
Yeah, Yansha Joe Metal about gospel fraternity. We know Joe Metal as our VGMA. artist wajibi the artist of the year, and also on a year the beautiful Salasi. One New Year message to Ghanaians no suni.
All right. Auto soon 2022 is almost over and we're about to enter into a fresh year. We want to wish you a happy new year in advance. Stop turning, stop dancing, like stay still.
I have to dance because it's 2023.
So happy new year, family. Make sure you go to church and can't wait for what God has in stock for you in the new year. It's going to be an amazing one. It will come with its own challenges, but God is with you. You'll get through it and you're going to enjoy.
So God is with you too. We'll get through it.
Sure.
2023. Oh boy. Yeah, for film style be
that's all.
Yeah, too so who everywhere you share. Yeah, Jamatola. Now yen share manifest. Manifest so or man ne fans na ne so it's a tweet manifest or make it. And so it will be on your screen shortly.
Okay, it's manifest. Or say official pa. Afisi say na yetim kwam. Afi wen so kai odo na forget it or time. Fantastic. Or see afi wen so kai odo na forget it or time. Or time dey nye. Odo na. Yem odo no ni anim sa. Tell you manifest dey no.
Manifest.
That's
now
nice.
Lydia Forson, the beautiful actress Lydia Forson. No so zibi bay until Lydia Forson so tweet or making.
Or say happy new year to everyone who fought silent battles throughout the year. Or see we made it. It was so be a kokomu no na wokun bi a wokun no kokomu ano. Enyame adom obi atumi afam aba fefufuro ni wo. It's happy new year.
Be proud of yourself. The Yamiasi say you made it to 2023.
Yes.
This year dear sweetheart. Now yeah wasted bia all over the years. We are restoring it. The money wasted. Bibia ye wasted bia no. We are restoring it.
Amen.
We are talking about the high life legend. Daddy Lumba. Now the Lumba brother, Daddy Lumba and champion. They performed beautifully yesterday. Na Daddy Lumba can how on a champion introducing it to high life. Yentimbra.
Me answer sa me answer be voice it say wo de na na we no said omaye na fefefe sa no omoye no fa collaboration mra ka be fa
ndom na wogu na
edom e ko ye
anko bi aye ho aye ho
legends night
aye ho yo krowa anka de ko si ba de aye ho aminyan erade
ni nyina ye adwuma no
sika pendefo enti yankwa next story na onde nkofo abakrom
pa
Black Sherif money Nigeria fi wobagani oni wona no wona na ma ne da wosa kwose ni ma
yes one ya sake obi
na ni ma and I like how our relationship needs. I think we are now understanding the showbiz business. No, I like it. Ghana phone, Nigeria phone, boom, they are here. New Year,
no take up pampam.
Yes. The boom with all the wood screens, it was so beautiful. It was social media. It was trending. I was like, wow, only so beautiful. This will be Ghana for the Ghana for or door for no door the enemy church and
run so no way na no ko focus so be ya ni ma no ko because so nim say ni ma de obenya na
obenya boys
obenya drum no amoma pia baba tom ye ma na ye fe
ni ma they do well with that ni ma boys youth
ni ma for ya
youth more energy no and they support the streets you know and I love what I'm seeing. It's a Nigeria, we are together and it's beautiful. We are waiting for a collaboration.
Kenya bado
Omoyenyom pa Omoyenyom inti nkwofa ba Ghana say die bibia ko high e ko mukroma me ke piano me fi Cape Coast.
Okay
se fi Cape Coast wa for ke piano yeah ke piano
yes
me fi Cape Coast na e ko Cape Coast baby cry Abrofun wa baby a wo by Kakum National Park.
Wanna di we sa no.
Yes, one na ya tutum, se ma mehu.
Matutum.
Ya tutum ti ente ya mami. Chance na afaka de ekọ ho. Because e bi o kwagya na enyim. Nti mo catch or ya tutu nti se ehwe screen no da
okay
my director da chain is but to da mo Kakum National Park
that to do
ya tutu where Kakum National Park enko hoda ko baby na what Ghana ha oh rade wonko
oh mako
ha kono kosu kakra
yeah
kono kosu kakra baby yesua height
ni se na nkrofo frusu
share area da chain mo people crying no share Sister new charges in ma me papa chance na ko
ubeti be cross screenshot na fato
yes
na wo kwa so kodu en wa short
because for obi ho oya Ghana ni okonekedo price in Ghana nye botu de foreign na botu na o say discriminate there be oya foreign e konu kroma de botu na onye easy nti chance na ko hwe answer na ko very necessary
first no okwa ska obetua na ode nya kwanya wura mu no eno na ya tutu do
obi bi said that still washa therefore mo de wuye me come experience am first time am for
eza ko say
easy ma me mo papa somumu that is Jesus somumu na mo twene de ya sisters and therefore it's a good experience it's one of our chrome no
me aso na me pedua afro party height de me mini hu problem I'm a food ya pa.
I'm for can forget kaka.
Sandy, that's a party Sandra Kakpo, or no na sister Sandy producer. So and or ya international and overcome more officer so Sandra Kakpo not in car.
Baby girl for life.
On the form. It's no and I debate your Ahosepe bre no ye gina so na na officer djuma de na ye de si. Edian me je so ene abena pokoa ahwenne okonkokofo aye steady to ho hwe ne dendenden ye chia mu nyina atenya mhyiam ya do wa owo me nyamenye okese one kwam kisi me domododo keep close to phone so hwe ne dendenden
api oskafo na akapofo nyina
hwe na kakpofo no
ye mama me Victoria Dizampa
afia so tia no
yes mo papa Mr Kakpo obi Ethel Godfred mo obi a mo kare mo bubodina
ade we tie ye first ye ntino ye do si ye sorry so de na akwasinsia e di mpense mu dwumadi etu so ye da wase ama mu ene hwe